Ballet for All. Today I have 4 exercises for you that are going to help you not only to gain the flexibility that we are seeking for, but also to gain strength and control of your hips. So every time that we lift our legs, we not only have the really nice flexibility, but also control and technique. So I hope you like this video. If you do so, remember to give me some thumbs up, subscribe, and click the little bell right beside the subscription button, so every time I upload a video, you get the direct notification. So say that, let's just get to it. Before doing these exercises, I would recommend you to go and check the links that I'm going to leave for you in the description of this video, so you can do some good warm-up or stretching routine before going to a deep exercises for flexibility and strength. Exercise number 1, we are going to be in a first position. We are going to lay in our backs and we are going to do releve l'âne, open to la second position, recover up and down. We are going to work on controlling hips. My leg is not going to touch the floor. We are going to control it. We are going to sustain the leg up and down. We are going to repeat that 4 times each leg. So let's get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, open. 3, slowly control. Up and down. 2 and go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 6 and down. 2 more. 1, 2. Open to the side. Go up. 6 and 7, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down. No more than 90 degrees. And control your hips. Point your toes and stretch your legs. 1 more. Control your hips. Engage your core muscles, of course. And slowly down. Okay, so our second exercise, what we are going to do, it's again laying in our backs. We are going to do passe open, stretch à la seconde, retire passe, and down. Passe, retire à la seconde, passe, and down. 4 times each leg. Okay? Let's get to it. Right leg first. 5, 6, 7, 8, passe. 2 and open to the side. Retire, passe, and slowly control. And 1, 2. Open to the side, stretch legs and toes and keep going. And 1, 2. Control your hip. 2 again. Engage your muscles, core muscles. 1 more. 90-degree angle, no more. Passe. And change to the left. And 1, 2, and open to the side. And 1, 2, and go down. Remember to keep turn out. Ready to passe. And down. 2 more. 1, 2, and stretch both legs, the action leg and the base leg, okay? 1 more. Open to the side. Down to initial position. Ooh, I can feel already my muscles really tight. Our third exercise, well, what we're going to do, same position, we are going to do passe, open forward, go to the side, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Again, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So it's a developpé that goes a la seconde, goes in and releve and down. Okay, let's get to it. Engage your core muscles. Try to avoid this arch of the back by pressing and sieving in all your ribs and core muscles. Squeeze your bottom. Your glutes have to also be there. Let's get to it. 5. Right leg first. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2 and open to the side. Go 1, 2 and slowly pass it. Go 1, 2 and go to the side. Engage all your core muscle. Down and go. 3, go pass it. Keep the turn out and open to the side and go up. 2 and slowly control. Last time. 1. Open and keep the turn out and open to the side and go up and go down and left. Pass it. Really open, stretch and open side and 5, 6 and 7. One more time and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Go up. 5, 6 and down. 7. One more time. 1. Open and go to the side and up. 2 and slowly last time and go. 1, 2 and 3. Open side and control. Squeeze everything. Go up and slowly and control. Down. Awesome. My God. Okay. Our last exercise. Then what we're going to do from the first position, we are going to do butterfly position, open second position, retiré butterfly, and down, and 2, and down, and 3, and down, and 4, and down, and close. Let's get to it. Last exercise. Remember to squeeze all of your core muscles, your ribs in. So remember to engage your core muscles, your ribs in, and avoid arching your back. Also open your chest, so don't stay all tense. Relax. Let's go. Remember to keep the turn out and control your hips. This is an exercise where we are definitely going to arch our back if we don't control that core muscles, okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and butterfly position. Open slowly. Butterfly position, and first, down, and 2, up, and open. And close, and down, 2 more, and butterfly position. Open and engage everything, and close. 6 and 7, last time. 1, 2, and open. Slowly and close. 2, and down, and stay. Thank you very much for joining me. I would recommend 4 sets of each exercises to really build and gain that strength and control that we want to get in our hips. Remember that this is the first video out of the series Hips Flexibility and Strength that I'm creating. Hope that you liked this video. If you did so, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the little bell so when I upload my next video, you get a direct notification. Once again, thank you very much and see you next time.